Well, good evening. Clapham Junction! Okay, give us a clear that side. Let's hear it from this side. Now, thank you. We know why you're here. You've come from the Swiss shop. We've got about 20-25 minutes of entertainment as well. Now, I must ask you, take notice of the wardens there that are directing you across the road, because we are actually, I've been told, this is Clapham Junction. One right. When I came down this afternoon, I didn't realise that I'd be actually in the middle of Clapham Junction. Let's hear it for all the people in Clapham Junction. Brilliant. Now, can I say, you've been so friendly. Community is alive and kicking here in Clapham. You've been so friendly to us. Now, I've got a very important job here, and I want you to give a very warm welcome to the Worshipful Mayor of Wandsworth, Councillor Jane Cooper.
Good evening on Clapham Junction, Battersea. He doesn't know, does he? And it's my pleasure tonight to switch on the lights. But it's so wonderful to see you all here, and I can't believe I'm standing in the middle of Clapham Junction, Battersea, to say welcome. Now, let me turn them on now. We're going to do a countdown, I think.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, look at that! Christmas is here! Merry Christmas, everybody! You come to the crowd tomorrow! Hey, look at the snow! Absolutely fantastic, fantastic. Madam Mayor. Colton! I'm going to do my first song I ever did on the live show. So I hope you all like the song. And now you want me one more time. And who do you think you are? Running around leaving scars, collecting your jar of hearts and tearing love apart. You're gonna catch a cold from the ice inside your soul. So don't come back for me. And who do you think you are? And I learned to live half life. And who do you think you are? Running around leaving stars, collecting your jar of hearts. Who do you think you are? Until you kiss my lips and you save me. My hands were strong, but Merry Christmas!